Hello everyone, let me, Dea Puspita, convey one of the important issues about the literacy crisis in Indonesia. Have we ever wondered what the world would be like without literacy? Perhaps like a place, there would only be darkness, black without light. With literacy, one can enrich their vocabulary, optimize brain performance, broaden their horizon, and obtain the less information. Based on a survey conducted by the Program of International Student Assessment in 2019, Indonesia's reading interest ranked 62nd out of 70 countries. In other words, Indonesia is included in the 10 countries that have the lowest literacy level among the countries surveyed. Surely we wonder, why does this happen? According to Rusty, some of the factors that cause low literacy skills in Indonesia are: first, lack of interest in reading. Interest is defined as a feeling of liking and being interested in something. With less interest in reading, the brain's working system in understanding a problem is also reduced. Second, inadequate suggestion and infrastructure. Through Merdeka Belajar program has distributed reading books throughout Indonesia in the form of quality reading books. However, who can guarantee that these books will reach remote areas in the country? Third, poverty and family relationship. The important role of the family is needed to improve literacy from home. The role can be given by the family in the form of affection, giving advice, and discussing what the child has done. And the last, the influence of cell phones and television. Cell phones offer many shows and features that shift people's interest in reading books. One example of concern for this issue is the presence of Manca, an acronym for bermain sambil membaca in North Sumatra. One of the strategies to start a love for books is to read aloud to children using simple language that is easy to understand and using intonation and expression that describe the content of the story. This Manca activity received quite positive feedback both from children and adults. This can be seen from the enthusiasm of children who ask about when the Manca activity will be held again. They believe that something that seems small will have a big impact as long as it is done with a big heart. Anyone like to ask? Yes, Ervi, go on.
How can reading interest be increased in specific population groups, such as adults or people in remote areas? And also, how can the success rate of literacy programs be researched?
Thank you for the question. Increasing reading interest in certain groups requires strategies that are tailored to their needs and characteristics. For example, for adults, there needs to be a reading community in the neighborhood or workplace that easy to visit, and also utilize technology to reach out because adults are more accustomed to technology. To measure the success of a literacy program, track the number of visitors to a library or reading park, then conduct a survey of the community to find out the level of interest in reading, and hold a discussion forum or interview with program participants to get feedback on the literacy. That's all from me. Thank you and see you soon.